welcome back to yet another video. So if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also hit the like button if you can and share it with your friends. So as you can see, today's video background is obviously the roads, and it's a little busy over here and you might be wondering where I am. So let me tell you, actually me and my family are visiting Vrindavan. It's in Uttar Pradesh. It's the holy city of Sri Krishna, and we are visiting that. It's a small tour, a day tour, and I'm going to show you how I'm going there, where the places I'll be visiting, and I'll also share my itinerary, which will be available in the next clip. So you will see my itinerary as per my schedule, how I have fixed out the schedule. So enjoy. The world famous Vrindavan Chandrodaya Mandir. This is the gate, and I'm not sure if we are allowed to videography or do photography inside the temple, but I'll make sure we can do it. And you can see, as I've shown you, you can see the environment around. It's so serene, so peace, and there's lush greenery. It's just so beautiful. So I'm looking forward to visiting the temple, and I will try to get some good pictures and even video if it is possible. So see you inside. please tell us, Hari Krishna, please tell us something about the temple.
Here right now we are in Vrindavan, and this place and this temple known as a Radha Vrindavan Chandrodaya Mandir, and this place also known as Akshay Patra. And this temple we have started in 2000, and right now we have a temporary setup here. We have a temple inside here, and along with that we have one more program called Akshay Patra. And Akshay Patra, every day we feed 1,80,000 children daily in Mathura district up to 60 kilometers. We provide meal for underprivileged children daily. So this temple which you have seen now, it was temporary temple. Now this new temple is coming up here. Here is a model of the temple. This temple it will be the world tallest temple. It's called Chandrodaya Mandir. And this temple height is 1,080 feet. And it will be like 108 floors. This temple, features of the temple is, like in this temple, apart from Mandir temple, there will be different activities how Krishna did pastimes in Vrindavan, surrounding Vrindavan. All childhood pastimes will be here. There will be Yamuna river recreation, and all different people like that will be taking the people through different villas in this. So when people come here, minimum 3 to 4 days it will take to visit this temple. This is what about our temple, and this temple construction already started in 2014. Now 5th floor temple construction has been going on, and 2022, March 2022, our expectation is to complete the first phase of the temple project. Thank you.
Hello all. This portion of the video at the Vrindavan Chandrodaya Mandir has been solely possible with the help from the Akshay Patra Foundation. This organization has been closely associated with the temple since its establishment in the year 2000 and has been doing the great noble work of providing free meals every single day to around 1,85,000 underprivileged children up till 60 kilometers in and around Mathura district. In their humble step towards nurturing ahead a beautiful society, the Akshay Patra Foundation has been constantly doing their bit to eradicate hunger among those underprivileged. So, I request you all, my dear subscribers, to generously contribute in such a heartwarming initiative. Also, I feel overwhelmed to have met one of their spokesperson, Mr. Amol Singh, as well as Prabhuji, who helped me gather insight into the temple history as well as the wonderful job this foundation has been doing. The details of the Akshay Patra Foundation, their website, and the name and details of the contact person are shared in the description box of the video. Request you all to definitely check it out and do your generous bit. is one of the most famous temples, and you can see the beautiful architecture around. It's all in white marble, and you will see the photos in the next clip. The deity is inside the temple. It's so beautiful. There's little crowd here, but the COVID norms have been very well maintained. So it's a must visit for whoever of you want to come to Vrindavan and enjoy the temple. Now we are pretty hungry, and now we have come down to this place, the MVT restaurant. MVT stands for Mayapur Vrindavan Trust Restaurant. So this is a guest house as well as it serves as a restaurant. So these are the timings you can see. And this is pure veg because it's from the ISKCON Trust, and this is just behind the temple, so it's just walking distance of 5 to 10 minutes and you'll reach it. So let's have some yummy lunch. Why should I not share you this very beautiful place? This is the back gardens of the MVT restaurant, the place where we had come down for our lunch. And as you can see, the place is so beautiful. The gardens are so lush, so beautiful. It's so serene, and there are so beautiful seating areas all around. And it's windy, it's such a lovely experience to be breezes, it's there are birds, and in the backdrop you can see the beautiful hotel resort of the MVT and the gardens. It's so beautiful. I thought that I should spend some time over here. Radhe Radhe again. Right now we are situated at one of the 51 Shakti Peeths of India. This is the Katyayani Mandir in Vrindavan itself. Photography is not allowed inside, so I'm sorry I cannot show you inside. But you can see the place around. It's very beautiful, and it is said that Mata Sati's hair and crest had fallen in this Shakti Peeth. So let's go inside, and I'm sure you will enjoy the place from the exterior only. Though we are not allowed to take photography here, but you can see a little bit behind me. This is on the exterior side, but still you can see a little bit behind me. So this is one of the most beautiful temples I've visited today. Radhe Radhe once again. So now I'm sitting and enjoying the beautiful sunset in the backdrop of the beautiful Yamuna river, and I'm relaxing on this stationary boat. This is the Kesi Ghat. It is the Yamuna in Vrindavan. It's a beautiful river bank over here. You can come, relax, you can do boating, you can enjoy yourselves. And if you're coming especially during this time, that is the sunset, so you can have the additional view of the beautiful sunset over Yamuna. And like me, you can relax and enjoy these cool breezes around. In my entire Vrindavan trip today, I find this place to be so calm, and it infuses my mind with so new thoughts. So beautiful place, such scenery. I'm in the beautiful state of bliss right now. So we have come to the last destination of our Vrindavan trip today. As you can see behind me, it is the Prem Mandir, Vrindavan Prem Mandir, one of the most famous mandirs again. And visiting it at night is the very best because you can see all the beautiful lighting. And around the compound you have all the statues of Krishna Leelas all throughout spread. So if you take a round, you will be able to see it. There's lush gardens again, as very typical of every temple in Vrindavan. It's a beautiful place. There are lots of people, but yet everyone is following the COVID norms of wearing a mask. So you can maintain your safe distance and enjoy your visit to the temple, as am I. तो अभी हमारे वृंदावन ट्रिप का एंड हो रहा है. हमने सारे मंदिर देख लिए, पीछे रेस्टोरेंट से कुछ स्नैक्स भी खा लिया, एंड नाउ वी आर वेरी फुलफिल्ड कि हमने इतने सारे अच्छे मंदिर भी दर्शन किए, अच्छा खाना भी खाया, एंड वी स्पेंट अ वेरी गुड टाइम. अब चलते हैं घर की तरफ. तो अभी के लिए आप लोगों से मैं अलविदा ले रही हूँ. सो आई सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. सो स्टे ट्यून फॉर मोर content on my channel. If you are new, then you have to hit the subscribe button, like my video, share, and keep loving me. Till then, bye bye.